on assumption, say the D when you get with DMW,
Yeah.
say na songwriter D, songwriting D. Is that true? Not be an artist D. We cannot say a couple of works on top Davido. You don't contribute to it. You don't write some songs, right? As a songwriter.
Yeah, but it's a 360 deal. It's not like it's not be like artist deal, normal label deal.
Yeah.
You know, get but like in the studio, like idea share. Like if you have a good idea, David is open to idea. Baddest will take the idea. If it's good, if he likes it, and if you guys are working together, if he wants it, we work together basically. There's a lot of songs that come out that it's me put ideas, the baddest put ideas. So we just the studio now. I don't know if you get something for mine, maybe beats they play man who talks if you like this. So it's not like they sign me as a songwriter. Dude, that's another part of my career. Okay. Not even the deal, just my career. Like baddest, like my songwriting career is not under DMW. It's just I'm just a songwriter. So baddest didn't sign me as a songwriter. Sign me as an artist. So if I write song for anybody, like it's not that one of my personal thing.
Arrangement.
Yeah, you get.
But so far so good. How many songs you say you don't work with Davido on since you don't sign?
Now the ones where they don't release, we don't work on now. Like Sensational with Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, right?
Unavailable. Those are the ones that we released, and that's the ones that we worked on. No, even today I start to write song.
I know, I don't think.
Yes, now I've written a song for the bunch way back then.
For real?
Yes, now something for something. I needed something.
Now you write that song?
Yes, now I've written a song for One Day Cole as well. So it's just something I like enjoy.
You just enjoy doing.
I get producer friends where like Magic Six Rage, yeah. So they'll just come after I get this artist, so they go. If you get any bedroom for this artist, I get bedroom now. You like this one? If you like this one, fine.
So talking about the connection between you and DMW right now, how the whole idea of being signed? Because I'll continue to talk. I know you way before you were signed, and I know you be get your stuff together. You run your matter on in normal. Yeah. So where the whole Wakabi actually start?
Nah, Magic Sticks now my guy. So I did Dubai then. Ashake was blowing up in Nigeria. So Magic Stick called me that time. So me Ashake the blue. After logo, so my God's come Nigeria now. The music don't make sense because we've been doing it, me and Magic Sticks for years, So I was like, okay, fine, I come Nigeria. So I came Nigeria. This time after I don't drop Shine way, but So as I come Nigeria now, Magic tell me saying Baddest gets deal, like they get like 3 songs for him to produce for Baddest album. So you get 3 slots for Baddest album. So if I get song, I far now see I do. So now I can't take Honda Unavailable and Picasso. Some songs, even there was another song we no make onto the album. So it was like 3 songs good, yeah.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
And this Josh right now on top 89.9 Yanga FM. We get the one and only DMW signing Logos Olori. My brother from way back. How fun
we do.
Everywhere legit, I'll be on the number now. It's been a while, right?
Yes, you don't take
small. but what you day up to since they just be like say be there on a chilly zone. Say once I just message you say Alpha, wait till they saw why you never drop song. You say no worry, they cook.
Just be like a lot of things, man. But we're outside now. But other one are past tense. But there's as a label, a lot of things they involved. Yeah,
they go on the underground. So they signed to Davido about 2 years ago. That was 2024, right?
Yeah.
2024. That was okay. Let's say last year. Last year, 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
2023.
2022.
No, 2023. Yes, now you released that your single when because Gbege, right?
Oh, Jailo, yeah.
Yes. So how far how it don't be and why an artist when they signed to one of the biggest music exports out of the continent of Africa go they face the challenge where you say I want to assume say that challenge you they face so during those time, right? What be they go on?
The thing why like a lot of people say like why I know they drop music. It's about dropping music, but it is that as a label there's a plan you get, so you guys still follow the plan. Like you can't just be doing things on your own. So you got the plan. So that was the plan. And is it like they have a calendar for dropping music and there was a lot of things that was happening that time. So so it just happened like that. So anyways,
but then again, so some people they also do, I think based on some assumptions say maybe the reason why you're not so free to the drop music and the flow the way people expect you to flow, because most people know you even before you sign to DMW. You get your own thing. They run, they go, right? Get one of the most popular songs, give you the likes of them Bado, that's Olamide don't co-sign you before, and the rest, and some other big guys. And apart from that, you also be songwriter. Some people they of the opinion, say based on assumption, say the D when you get with DMW, say na songwriter D, songwriting D. Is that true? Not be an artist D. Because I know say a couple of works on top Davido, you don't contribute to, right? You don't write some songs, right? As a songwriter.
Yeah, but it's a 360 deal. It's not like it's not be like artist deal, normal label deal. Yeah. Get but like in the studio, like ideas share. Like if you have a good idea, David is open to idea, but others will take the idea. If it's good, if he likes it, and if you guys are working together, if he wants it, we work together basically. There's a lot of songs that come out that it's me put ideas, the baddest put ideas. We just the studio now. I don't know if you get something for mine, maybe beats they play man who talks so it's not like they sign me as a songwriter. Dude, that's another part of my career. Not even the deal, just my career. Like baddest, like my songwriting career is not under DMW. It's just I'm just a songwriter. So baddest didn't sign me as a songwriter. Sign me as an artist. So if I write song for anybody, like it's not that one of my personal thing.
Arrangement.
Yeah, you get.
But so far so good. How many songs you say you don't work with Davido on since you don't sign?
Now the ones where they don't release, we don't work on now. Like Sensational with Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, right?
Unavailable. Those are the ones that we released, and that's the ones that we worked on.
So based on you, right?
Picasso,
now, Picasso, I can't wait to say you need to make mention of that. Now, based on comparison between songwriting and the music part, which one you really enjoy? Which one they pay pass? Can I know say songwriting they collect heavy money?
For now, the songwriting is paying. But like I'm an artist. I write songs. From when I was a child, I used to write music, and I write songs because I like singing music. It's not because I want to write songs for people. But then again, I'm growing up, and it's like I can't sing all the songs I write. Most times for my projects, there's too many songs that the label is always confused. Like
which one they want to pick?
Because so I just figured out that if I can give people songs, why not? No, even today I start to write songs.
I don't think.
Yes, now I've written a song for the bunch back then.
For real?
Yes, now something for something. I needed something.
Now you write that song?
Yes, now even this song, Wandiko. I've written a song for Wandiko as well. So it's just something I like enjoy.
You just enjoy doing.
I get producer friends where like Magic Six Rage, So they'll just come here after I get this artist, so they go. If you get any Bedu for this artist, I get Bedu now. You like this one? If you like this one, fine, it's good.
Take on.
So it's not stingy with the music. It's art. It's unlimited.
Before we move to how you and Davido connection kick off. So after your introduction as a DMW artist alongside Morave, right? Are they correct?
Yeah.
We noticed you release a song, do a video, beautiful record, but the video based on some certain things when you depict kind of like we cause controversy at that time. Was that part of a PRO stunt or now something unexpected when it happened?
Unexpected. Yeah, okay. Me, I just wake up one day, tell my video guy, say, Mama, go do this content. It in my head. I just did it. I didn't know what was. Like, say they'll take them like that. But it no be PR at all. Like, nah. So, I wouldn't do that for PR. Because that's too dangerous.
but talking about danger, right? You feel say that particular controversy surrounding that video and the way people take the Muslim community to follow you say this is an abuse, take it down, this and that. You just say it affects your career in any way?
No, I don't feel like say it affects in any way. I feel like say even give me a lot of like fans from the north, because like a lot of people from the north actually knew me through that controversy. At the end of the day, it's like people. It's life. I don't know if you control everything we go happen in my life. So it's under there. It's promo. If it's bad, it's good. Provided I don't keep person, I don't do anything that was outrageous. It's just a simple mistake. It's still PR. Like a lot of people got to know me through that. So I didn't think it was a bad. And trust me, they don't forget that. So
not be like.
So you get. So it's not
2 years ago.
Yeah. So it's not. I don't think it's any part of it. It's just a matter of like. It is what it is.
So talking about the connection between you and the DMW right now, how the whole idea of being signed? Because I'll continue to talk. I know you way before you were signed, and I know say you beget your stuff together, you dey run your matter on in normal.
Yeah.
So where the whole wakabi actually start?
Nah, Magic Sticks now my guy. So I did Dubai then. Ashake was blowing up in Nigeria. So Magic Stick called me that time. So me Ashake the blew. I found logo. So my God's come Nigeria now. The music don't make sense because we've been doing it, me and Magic Sticks for years. So I was like, okay, fine. I come Nigeria. So I came Nigeria. This time after I don't drop Shine way, but So as I come Nigeria now, Magic tell me saying Baddest gets deal, like they get like 3 songs for him to produce for Baddest album. So you get 3 slots for Baddest album. So if I get song, I found now see I do. So now I can't take Honda Unavailable and Picasso. Some songs, even there was another song we no make it to the album. So it was like 3 songs good. So 2 songs made it to the album. So that's how I met Baddest.
That's Picasso, but you did on top Picasso, right?
Yeah, I did on top
but
Picasso.
But the unavailable, you already the song.
Yeah, I just already the song, So that's how I actually made the video. So the day we in the record the unavailable, now that day I tell and say, I know just be songwriter the single, but you don't believe me that day too.
Sorry.
Yes, so they look me say we sing, they sing like now that's how they sing now. So we come play songs. But as I play songs for that day night just signed me. That day in Color, like in Color that night, like say these guys
and I feel let them go.
Yeah, so but that was how it is.
Big shout out to Magic Sticks on top say he will call you because some guys said they no go. I'm not sure say they go follow up. Now talking about there was also a time when we say at that same time when I shall get a blog signed under YBN by Bado. So people call they say una be brothers. I remember I call you say Logos you and Ashake. So where the whole assumption for people start?
I just feel like so maybe because me and Ashake close at some point. Nobody's like closely, but now my guy. So in they come my house can record that kind of thing. So
your house for Aja that time.
Yes, now even I know even day Nigeria when Ashake even they come my place then. I did Dubai then. Okay. So but Magic Sticks they stay my place then. So Ashake they always come around, come record. But me Ashake don't know since like 2018, so all those in past videos then. So I think people will go and see me there.
You there part of those videos?
Yes, now so I even in the Shine video now. Ashake they Shine video now.
You there Shine video?
She that when I did the drive car for Shine video. So maybe now all those things people don't see, maybe now brother that kind of thing. So so it's just now the underground industry we don't know, we don't know, so we just
now and then you also did funny say you Ashake and Ashidi Akpo actually we get like close cycle because
crazy things me Bado put me and Ashidi Akpo one song so we will drop soon and it's crazy.
For real?
Yes. Like,
say even some people be the suspect say Bado be one sign you after I consign that your Shine, right?
Yes, me. That was what I thought, right? Self. That was me I think that time, man.
So what currently happen?
I don't know. I pursue Bado that time. I think Bado the thing now. I don't know. I think I did get twisted then because then I did pursue Bado for verse.
Okay.
For Shine. So I thought that was what he wanted to do. I say he won't give me verse. So that was what I was asking for. So it be like later for life now I can't later understand say like say as I talk verse now I make no ginger. So if they saying someone sign me so they get so I can't think I say maybe now why I can't calculate I say maybe now because I say verse maybe to say I say Baba sign me help my life because
that time you never sign.
Yes you never sign. Yeah. We will talk about that when we meet there. We talk about that time. Say yes, that time,
And Bado na very cheat guy.
Bado, no.
So that's to say a new song from Olamide featuring you and Ashidako right now.
Hopefully
they'll drop.
Yes.
That one go be banger.
I can't tweet. I don't push that song.
but okay, but just a very funny question right now. Give it anyway. Based on the circumstances on ground right now, I don't think you can do it in reality. But left, if you did presented with a D between DMW and YBN,
I don't go answer that question. I beg. No, a deal is a deal. The thing is that at the end of the day,
but the structures differs.
No, a deal is not. The thing is, a deal is a deal at the end of the day. Like if before. They signed me to DMW, YBN, fine, sure. As DMW came, fine, sure. It's a blessing. I don't think like, whatever Baddest is big, is one of the biggest in Africa. Sure. Bado is one of the biggest in Africa. So I think it's a blessing. But if I would have had the opportunity to enter
YBN,
it's a good deal then. I would have. My mind no did there. that time say okay, Bado fit sign me. I just feel like say that time when they post me that time say he won't just do verse. So
for you,
yes,
so you
I
don't
just
think on
I know thing go fine. No say that I dey do my thing, so my mind no dead there.
And you get your bread that
yes, I dey look say my mind no dead there. Say so I just look say okay, maybe one fit, maybe one do verse for the song. So I pursue Bado reach Dubai. God of mercy.
but at the end of the day, right now, I still get record.
Yes.
Mad. So for you right now, how the whole creative process don't be being signed on that DMW Waka original? I know say you dropped EP last year.
Yeah.
Olori
the EP, the self-titled
right?
EP.
Self-titled EP. That's not your name.
Yeah.
Somehow, if expectation, I don't know whether I meet up to your expectation, that particular body of work. How it be actually meet to your expectation? Huh?
Yeah, I feel like the EP there was not I don't do much about them, but
why? Because you say you be there signed to Davido, so everything will go like that.
No, not even about that one. So it's just there were some technical difficulties. We had problems with like the production aspect. You know, there was clearing. A lot of things. Yeah, clearing. There was a lot of things that happened with that. There was a time they even bought the EP down. You know, they take them down, we got put them more back. So there was a lot of.
Who take them down? Producer?
Yeah, so.
Which producer? When you work with, when you're not clear with?
I don't want to go into like details because we don't settle the matter you get to.
You're not concerned Big Rich, you're not concerned Majesty, But yeah, Big Rich still they alright because Big Rich now one of the biggest producers right now.
Yeah, we do. Sure, now my guy. Now. That for 100.
So who now Majesty bring her down?
No, it was the management issue now. You know, say be like say everybody they work on that company. You get so it was a management misunderstanding and so the EP there was a lot of things that happened with that EP that that stunted, but it's okay. We are going. We learn as we grow. You get so that one don't pass. So this one we are coming back. Okay. I didn't drop a song for like a year after that EP.
I they wonder what it be really happened to you and what it be they go on for that one. You travel go to Dubai again?
No. I've been there around. Actually the Go show. We actually did a show in Amsterdam.
Yeah, when you perform alongside Davido, right?
With Davido. Yeah, we did one in London. So I was actually on tour. We do a lot of things. Things they go down. But now we are back. We are ready. It's DMW 2.2. We are coming in heavy, and everybody will see them. So so that's what we are doing right now.
Okay. So you also get one of your interview. I think last year when you talk, say some people they shame to give acknowledge songwriters, right? Say you can't give example. This person they write song for this person. You can't mention Burna Boy name too. Say that I think so. Say they write song for everybody. I think later on, Burna Boy come tweet say nobody they write song for Dogu. Every song when you don't say I did, I me write and sometimes those names when you see now because of foreign policies and the regime. I don't know if you remember that tweet. It was towards you, right?
Me, I don't know whether it was me. Me, I just stuck my own for. They just asked me a question and I'm like, everybody use like songwriter is a normal thing in the studio. Like if you are in the studio and somebody get idea where you like, now normal thing go collect the idea is like nobody's an island. So but Burna Boy say nobody the right song for him. It's okay if he said that na him understand, na him know and they run your own. Me, I just said it because. Even Michael Jackson, they write song for her. You understand? So I just said out of like like normal. Because,
they try let people know.
Because even for Spotify, you go see like songwriters or Burna Boy projects.
Yeah, you said those people now because of foreign policy.
Yes.
Now producers
for Spotify, sometimes they put producers as songwriters.
Yes.
So that one saved this. So
Okay. So moving forward right now, you just dropped a new single.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Waiting day next. They talk like say you want to drop a body of work this year.
Yes. So another news. I'm going hard. After this poem, I'm dropping another single. Then I'm dropping a body of work.
Just you on the single. Abi Davido go do the.
No. Just me on the single. Okay. But I'm dropping an EP.
When?
That has, I think it will be in late September or early October.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will have Wonder Banton, Mojave. We have there's a guy in America, Yale. He's a wonderful artist.
Okay.
We have on the EP again.
So
we have Means. On the EP.
Means the concept. He did roll right now. That's another of my region.
We have Means on the EP as well. So we're going crazy.
Okay. So what you come to Davido? You and Davido never do something together.
Nah, we did Easy on Me together now.
No, like
first
this.
EP.
Yeah, I'm talking about
but
this.
But DMW is trying to put in like a DMW type EP.
Okay.
DMW label joint EP. So
that's you, Davido and Mojave.
Nah, we have other artists too. Sorry,
una
go hear what this year.
So Davido just sign new artists?
Yeah, 3 new bad artists coming in. We have like Boy Chase, we have Mighty Youths, Bad Boy.
Hold on, Boy Chase is on that DMW?
Yes, now.
For real?
Yes, now.
But I don't listen to Boy Chase.
Yeah,
record.
Boy Chase, Mighty Youths coming. Tori, Crazy Nigga, Tori. Bad Boy. That means this year too. Now go drop it DMW. Yeah,
EP,
DMW
right?
project. Yeah,
Project,
So yeah, it's a whole lot of joints coming in.
They come in soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Sharp. Anyway, time not too much. Day we said again. We still get the one and only Logos Olori inside the building. We talk about how the journey don't be musically, family wise. I don't know how it don't be. How the lifestyle don't be based on the level we did right now. Plans to settle down. I be don't settle down. And you want no one let us know.
When I water is set to. We're active. We're outside.
We're outside, Abi.
Yes.
So no plans to even like say, okay, man, just because if Davido should be like an inspiration to you, say, okay, just marry you.
If we don't get the video money now, if we don't get the video money, we could think of that one. Not like this, yeah. Think of set to move 5 money first.
Oh, 5 money first.
Yeah, I'm just a young man trying to make it.
My brother, you're not young. I know your story now, bro. Anyway, but you did open for collaboration. You never really,
yeah, of course.
Like other guys get you on their song, right?
Yeah, sure now. Sure.
Oh, okay. So if so, let us know your social media handle for those who like reach out.
Yeah.
Also check out your new record and follow you up on top your Instagram then.
Yeah. Everywhere in the world you can follow me Logos Olori, LOGOSOLORI.
Logos Olori.
Yes, Logos Olori. Everywhere, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Anyone you want to follow me?
He did, yeah. Any challenge there on top this new single?
Yeah, so go on TikTok. We're having a dance challenge for it. 1 million naira up for grabs for the best group dancers of Purumpu.
Okay.
Just go on TikTok, you see it. Just do a group dance video, tag me. You know the vibes. Just tag me, use the hashtag Purumpu.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Then once again, your EP did drop late September.
Late September or late September or early October. Yeah, if it's not EP, it's gonna be a single first.
Yeah.
Then probably drop an EP maybe early December or maybe. But we're working on something, Sha. But if single first, then the EP afterwards. But EP is ready. We just need to plan the dates.
Oh yeah, now we deal with you now. Anytime you drop, we deal here to back and up heavily, bro. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you big time, my brother. Anyway, that will be a wrap on top that chit chat with one and only Logos.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.